Hey Jingoos! Welcome back to my move out video! Woo! Today is my last full day in this room. It's almost like 5 p.m. and I still haven't really packed up my stuff in my room because I'm feeling nostalgic. I mean, my next room is gonna be very similar in size to this room, so I can decorate it pretty similarly. But I don't know, just the fact that this was my first room in New York City makes me feel a little bittersweet, you know? But I did pack up a lot of the stuff in my closet, so I don't think packing up my room will take too long, which is what I'm hoping. But basically our lease ends in June, but we're gonna be moving out in April to a new apartment. So someone else is gonna be taking over my room for the next 2 months, but I'm leaving to LA next week and she wants to move in tomorrow to my room, which is why I really need to pack up today. But it's just so hard to pack up this cute room. But I'm very excited for the next apartment. I'm gonna be still living with my same roommates, Mel and Akila, so things won't be too different. I will say the next apartment is a little nicer than this one and it is a cheaper rent. Oh, like New York City is so expensive. Sometimes I'm like, why am I living here? Why am I paying so much in rent? So yeah, that's my little living situation update, and let's start packing. Yeah! I just put on this pimple patch because I have an enormous pimple here and you guys didn't tell me. It's like extremely painful. Although I hate having pimples, I'm also thankful for when I get a pimple because I get to wear cute stickers like this. Also, I finally get to show you guys my view. I have such a beautiful view, but because I didn't want you guys to find where I live, I never really showed it. But here it is. Bro, look at that water view. Wow. I'm gonna miss this view a lot. I think I can tackle this wall first because I'm the least attached to this wall. Let me just take one last photo. Cleaning out my cabinet right now, and I noticed that I have a lot of these plastic boxes with a lot of stuff inside, and then I realized I have so many tote bags. So what if I just wrapped it so the stuff inside won't like fall off as much? Am I genius or am I genius? Oh my god, yes, perfect. And then I'll just like tie it, and then perfect. Oh my god, guys, she's putting away my stuff. It's gonna go right here. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're using them. Look. She's using them.
Yes.
Guys, what does she have in here?
What is it gonna be?
What do you think it's gonna be? Some random knick-knack.
Random stuff. Random stuff.
Look at this shit, bro. This is like so. She's literally a child. Like, let's do a review. Okay? Like, literally, like, you're like, why did she just have this? Like, come on. Like, what is this? Look at this. Like,
You
guys. Are you
guys.
fucking kidding me? Dude, I can't even imagine. This one's fine.
I'm crying.
Of course it's toys.
Of course it's fucking toys.
I'm protecting it. I feel exposed. I know Ryan appreciates it.
Of course her iPhone 6.
Her iPhone 6.
It's an iPhone 5, guys.
Wait, why is it?
It's
It has good
Yeah.
camera quality.
Oh my god, I never touched it.
Tiny.
Oh my god, it's so small.
Silly.
this is how my room's looking. It's so clean. I kinda like it. Maybe I'll make my next room more minimalistic. Nah, I probably won't. It does feel a little bit more echoey in here because there's like less furniture though. Everyone say bye, room. Bye bye. Bye, room. Whoa. I feel like I'm in like an Airbnb or something. It's all empty. D1. Moving day is tomorrow. Move out day.
Wow. Yeah. Oh.
2-0.
Oh.
Oh my god, it looks even crazier on video.
Oh, you're so polite. Hello. So demure.
My room is still a big mess. But look guys, I got a free drawer. So I can finally put away my clothes.
Hi everybody, guess who I won? Hi. You haven't been seeing what's been in the vlogs because we broke up. Basically, we're just pals now. We're just two friends.
Hello everybody, welcome to my new room. It's been 4 days in this apartment and I really love it so far. You guys, I have south facing windows. Currently 2 p.m. and I have sunlight in my room and it is absolutely amazing. I've been sleeping on my mattress over here. We have my desk, my cabinet, and I just picked this up yesterday. My beautiful closet. It's honestly such a big room and I'm very excited to play around with how the room's gonna look. I like how the bed looks right now, but once my bed frame is here, I think it'll be a little bit weird. Let's shift some things around. Hey everyone, it's a couple hours later and I'm folding more laundry. And life update, I'm gonna be cat sitting. The cat is gonna be here in 30 minutes.
Oh my god.
So I need to hurry up and fold these clothes. Oh my god. Basically, my friend posted a story posting for her other friend who posted for her roommate that they were looking for someone to cat sit her cat while she's gone for like 3 months. And I've been thinking of fostering a cat from a shelter. So when I saw that, I was like, oh, that's kind of perfect because it was a win-win situation. I can help out someone and I get to live with the cat. I'm so excited, but I'm also on my period right now and I woke up early. So I'm just tired and low energy, but I am very excited, guys.
Hi, Sephora.
Hello.
Hi.
I look like a clown right now because I got lip blushing and they didn't tell me what lip blushing was really like.
Hello, apartment. Long time no see.
Hello, room.
Nice.
Sephora snoozing. I'm really breaking out, so I put a bunch of pimple patches on my face. Jump scare in 3, 2, 1. Ah! I've never put so many pimple patches on my face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. It's time to finally have a bed frame in my room. This is the current setup of my room. A cabinet just to like divide, make it feel like a little nook. I think this is very, very cozy, but it's kind of hard for me to wake up in the mornings. I love a mattress on the floor, but I don't know, something about being so close to the floor, it's so much harder to get up. So go back to my little cozy area. I don't know how to design my room. I think I like how my room looked earlier more. Hey guys, it's been 2 hours. But I have found out a layout for my room. Ready? Wow. Hey. This room in general is so hard to work with because of this heater thing and the AC. This is probably the best I can do for now. Hi! Oh, you're so cute. Aww. Oh, sorry. Feeling pretty good about it. Yeah. There's a draft going on.
So mad that I didn't get this.
Why do you need that? Last day in Stuytown. That's right, we used to live in Stuytown.
Wow.
Bye, house. So empty. Bye, Akila's room. Goodbye, room.